how do you create portfolio using Adobe Express? You have this tab called web page, which we learned yesterday, right? So portfolio is part of web page creation, right? Here you will be able to see a category of portfolio when you click on web page option. If I click on web page option, you will be able to see all these categories, right? Get started with web page template, and inside of it you will be able to find portfolio option. Click on the portfolio option. These templates will be visible in your screen. Okay, first of all, let's understand what is a portfolio or a showreel. So portfolio is where you put your best of the best works and then share it with the companies or some other artists so that you get hired, isn't it? So it's more like a resume, but it includes your works as well. Just a second, let me show you. Now what I need to do, if I want to create a portfolio inside Adobe Express, what do you need to do? We need to just go to the web page option right here. Just a second. Express is a little bit slow. So just go to the web page option right here from the home page. Then click on the web page option right here. Browse templates, and inside the templates you will be able to find portfolio. Click on portfolio. Choose any of these templates. Okay, these templates are here to help you out to make your work easy. But if you are creating for the first time, just like web page, you have to click on create your own. Okay, same options are right here. Okay, just like web page. What you need to do, the difference between the web page and the portfolio is, in web page you add all the details, but in portfolio what you do, you just add or input your best of the best work. Okay, now suppose I'm going to name it. We have a text box right here. We'll just double clicking on it and it's editable. What we'll do, we'll just name it. Suppose I'm writing like this. Okay, suppose I'm an animator and I'm trying to make a portfolio for the animation. So suppose I'm an engineer or suppose I'm an architect. Whatever I am, I have my work stored in my computer. I just need to showcase them inside a web page. That's why I'm creating this particular web page. Let me add a subtitle. Now, for some of us, we have created video for our works, right? We have created video using the JPEG images, all the animations we have done. We documented them using some Word file or Excel file, or we click photos of them and rendered out them. Now what we need to do, we have everything right there. We just need to add everything right here. Okay, so that when we are sharing our work to some company or some other places, we don't have to search everywhere. We have everything inside one web page, and we are just sharing the link of that web page so that they can see flawlessly. Right. So right after that, what we'll do, we'll just add. For myself, I'm adding a video because my portfolio, my showreel is in a video. I'm just going to YouTube and searching for my showreel. Let's see if I can find my animation showreel. Just a second, let me see. Suppose this particular showreel I'm going to add. Now what I have to do, I just have to click on it, share, copy the link of this showreel, and then go back to the web page, just add the showreel link, click on save. Okay, so this is how I added my showreel right here. Now I need an image for this. I'll just add something related to 3D animation. I'll search here. I'll just add something like this. It's much more relevant. Okay. So this is the front screen of my file portfolio. And what I did, I added the animation link right here, which will be played by the person who I am sharing with. So now what I'll do, I'll just click and create a split layout, and inside the split layout, I'll add some of my work of 3D modeling as well. Okay, and then I'll explain right here, right this place, that what I have created or my case studies. Okay, let me find some of my work from art session. So what I'll do, I'll just use some of these works so that I can place them inside the portfolio, and I'll explain whatever I have created. So this is the website where I place my all my work, right? All my 3D work, and then I put them inside our portfolio. I'll save some of my work and how I created. I can also explain them. So for now, for example, I'm showing my 3D works. Right. For you, it might be engineering works. For someone, it might be computer science works. For someone who is working on UX UI designs, for them, showing some case study and UX UI creations. Okay, now I have plenty of content with me. Now what I'll do, I'll just click on add your image, and then click on upload from the device, and then go to downloads where I've downloaded my files. Suppose I'm trying to add this particular image. I'll double click and it will come right here. Okay, now if you're able to see that this particular image is getting cropped out, right? Now how do we fix that? Click on the image and you'll have this particular option called focal point. Click on that. Suppose I want to show the image right from here. Okay. Now what I'll do, after fixing the focal point, let's see how it looks. Click on save. It will show where whichever part you have given in the focal point will be shown in that place. Okay. Now if I click on right here and say I want text, I'll add some I'll hold it out because it's the heading of this particular theory. I'll click once again in the plus button, select text. I'll add that however I created this. Okay, so this was my some of my work. Okay, so now what I'll do, I'll just click on share and then publish to it. Okay, simple, just like web page. Okay, I'll just name it as okay, I'll just name it as Aditya Energy Portfolio, and then what I'll do, I'll just create a password protection or whatever. If I don't need password protection, I'll just click on create link. It will easily publish your project into the web and then give you the link. Right. Now, if I copy this link and save it somewhere or preserve it, slow. Okay, are you able to hear me? While we learn Adobe Express, we have this particular home button, right? And top of this home button, what we have all these options, right? Adobe Home, Firefly, Express, Photoshop, Lightroom, Acrobat, and stuff. Right? While we learn Adobe Express, we can also learn the Firefly, right? Firefly is part of Adobe Creative System, Creative Cloud System. So this is also a generative way. Using that, you will be able to create multiple generative images. So for to open that, how do you open that? If you are able to see this particular icon right here, just click on it, and straight from Express you will be able to go to Adobe Firefly website, and this particular window will appear right before your eyes. Okay, so this is saying Adobe Firefly, create new button, generate, ideate, production, quick actions, your stuff, custom models, gallery. Okay, so see, on the right hand side top, it's showing that the explore what's new and tips for using Firefly. As well as we have the feedback button right here. We need credits to generate images right here. But for some of us, it's free. And then we have the help button right here and the notification button, and this is very common in every software. Uh, this is the idle button. Right. And in the middle, what we have the prompt box. Inside of it, we are able to prompt whatever we like to create in the top line. Okay. And right below to the prompt button, what we have this category and a drop down where we whether we want.
Sir, your screen is not showing.
Should be showing. Sharing my screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right below to the prompt box, we have this particular drop down where we can choose whether we want to create images or we want to create videos. Okay, right beside that, what we have models. Models are something like you have versions in software. That same way the models work for AI. Okay, suppose we are using Firefly 5 right now. Okay, Firefly image 5, and then it has Firefly 4, Firefly 4, image 4 ultra, and then Firefly 3. You can choose any of it, but for now we'll just use Firefly image 5. If it's not working for you, then go to the Firefly image 4. Okay, right beside that, what we have the dimension option. Like whatever you are generating, it should be coming in a preferred dimension, right? So right now we have a 4:3 dimension, right? So we have 16 by 9, 4 by 3, 1 by 1, 3 by 4, 9 by 16. Okay, which is completely opposite of 16 by 9, and it's a portrait mode option. Click on this portrait mode option, and there's a more option right here. Click on the more option. So when you click on the more option, you have this particular general settings on your left hand side. Okay, you are able to see all these options that you have seen in the prompt box. It's shown here, right here. But along with that, what you have this reference image option. Okay, later while we are generating the images, we'll quickly explore this reference image option. Okay, now what we need to do is very easy and same as we have generated in Adobe Express. We just need to give it prompt. Suppose you are giving prompt as
add a fire data.
and hit enter after you are done with prompting, and with time to generate your image. Few minutes it will generate an image. Okay, so this is generated by AI right now. Now we can choose to keep it like this. Okay, or what we can do, we can click on right here this particular button to see what else we can generate. Right, click on view all. You'll be able to see the generation history. See, all these images, they were generated inside Adobe Express, right? They are also stored inside the Adobe Firefly. Get back to the Firefly screen once again.
So may I say something?
Yes, sir. Please go ahead and trial there. This particular image, I went to the Adobe Firefly website, right? And after I went there is a prompt box inside the Adobe Firefly website. Double click on it, you'll be able to add some text right here in the prompt box. So what I did, I added a prompt saying a classroom where students are playing with chemistry equipment, right? And then hit enter, and it's very easy. It started generating my image. It takes little bit time. Okay, so you're able to see this particular image appeared right here in the screen. This was created using Adobe Firefly. Now if you are able to see this right here, you'll be able to edit, you'll be able to see the edit options as well, right? If you are able to generate something inside Firefly, you'll also be able to edit right here in the Firefly. As well as you are able to see the content credentials, right? So it has the content credentials of Adobe Firefly, so you will not get a copyright strike, right? This is why people use Firefly in their pipelines, right? Because this is copyright free, that's why they are using it. So I suggest all of you also use Adobe Firefly for your official purpose. Now, suppose I want to share this particular image with my student. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll just go ahead and click on the share options button. Okay, inside of this, you'll be able to see copy image to video, open in Photoshop Web, open in Express. So now what I'll do, I'll just go and click on image to video because we want to create a video out of this image. Let's see if we can create a video using this particular image. Okay. Students. Okay. Now if I hit enter, let's see if it can generate the video. So what it's doing, it's actually taking the image as a reference, okay, which I was talking right before. See, now it has generated this particular video. It will take little bit more time. If I play now, you'll be able to see the AI has created the image or the video. Okay. So everyone please try once this, from image, generating an image, and from image to video. Try once. If you are able to see Firefly and you don't have access, what you can do, you can go to the Firefly website itself and then log in with your Gmail ID. So you'll be able to get free access there.